Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can install Fortnite on an Android device in 2021. For those who don't know, Fortnite was removed from Google Play and the App Store last year because it introduced in the game Fortnite a method to purchase various skins and items directly from them, refusing to pay that 30% fee to Google and Apple. Fortunately, Android allows you to upload third-party apps from sources other than the Play Store so you can still play Fortnite. Enjoy!